गाइज, अगर आप ने लॉ शुरू किया है एंड यू आर कंफ्यूज अबाउट विच इज़ द बेस्ट बुक टू बाई एंड स्टडी फॉर द सेमिस्टर एज वेल एज द फर्दर एग्ज़ाम्स लाइक जुडिशियल और बार और एनी एग्ज़ाम्स, ठीक. सो देर आर टू बुक्स बेसिकली फॉर दिस सब्जेक्ट. वन इज़ अवतार एंड सेकंड इज़ द एस एन मिश्रा. अवतार इज़ comparatively for the, if you have very polished English, then you can go for that book. But you are somehow little knowledge of the alternative words of the English or synonym English. This is the best book which you can refer. This is the S.N. Mishra, and the topic which I already talked to you about, this labor and industrial laws. Now this covers the whole syllabus, whatever the labor and industrial laws says about. Either it has to be any judicial exam or semester exam. You can see the chapters cover here. I have already as you know, chapters are cover means the whatever we study, that has to be covered under whole syllabus, and these books contain the whole chapter. You have to decide what chapter you are going to undergo for the exams. Like in your third semester of Barkatul University, you are going to get the list of the topics which you should mark here and then study. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to get the whole book. The language of the book is very clear. It is already divided into further chapters like this. So this is one of the best book which you can refer. I have already bought this book for my exam. I am also doing LLB. So after the great discussion with my seniors and my colleagues and my understanding and going through the all YouTubes, I came to the known that this book is going to be best book for this subject. And what in print wise it is average, and rate wise it is written here 980, but my bookseller has given me this book on 770. That is somehow good price. I think this is the best book which you can refer. So good luck, go and buy it.